name of the story is The Haircut. We can see Dad and Kipper. Dad is holding a comb in his hands. The color of the comb is red. And Dad is standing in the washroom. We can see some tiles. We can see a big mirror. And Dad is combing Kipper's hair. Dad is standing along with Kipper in the washroom. We can see a bathtub, a towel stand, a towel of yellow color, and Kipper is making a very bad face and he's holding his hands tightly. His fist is closed, and Dad is combing Kipper's hair. Oh my God, what long hair you have, Kipper. You need a haircut. Dad is annoyed with Kipper and he just cuts his hair, and Kipper has a mark on his neck. He gets a big cut. After Kipper gets a big cut at the neck by Dad, he asks Dad to take him somewhere where he can get a haircut. So Dad takes him to a hair salon, Snip's Hair Salon. There's a big glass door and you can see some bottles, hairsprays, some perfumes, a soap, and a big glass door. Dad is opening the handle of the glass door and Kipper is along with him. Dad says, "Come here, this is Snip's Hair Salon." Now let's turn the page. Here you can see there are two people inside the salon. Nikki, the girl's name, who's wearing a purple color off shirt and a green pant. And Andy, who's wearing a yellow and white striped shirt. He's Andy. They both ask Dad and Kipper, "What do you want?" Dad says, "Of course we need a haircut, a nice one." So they both ask Kipper and Dad to sit by the wash basin with their heads at the back. Nikki starts washing Kipper's hair. You can see a big hose in her hands, a water pipe, and she is washing Kipper's hair, and Dad is getting shampooed. So Andy is shampooing Dad's hair. You can see a big trolley, and you can see some hairspray bottles, some perfume, some lotions, and some soap in the trolley. And now you can see that Nikki is cutting Kipper's hair with a comb in a scissors in her hand, and Andy is cutting Dad's hair with a comb and his scissors. Now this is the last page of the story. We can see that both Dad and Kipper are looking too different. Mom is surprised to see them. "Oh, how different you're looking. You're looking so nice with short hair." So that's the end of the story. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Please do comment on it.